Hey tomato lovers, what if I told you there's a simple ingredient hiding in your kitchen that could unlock explosive tomato growth? Faster flowering, healthier leaves, and sweeter, juicier tomatoes than you've ever tasted. Stick around, this tip might just be your tomato game changer. Comment below where you're watching from, and if your tomatoes are thriving or struggling, we're curious. Welcome back to Mkirikacha TV. Today, we're revealing a surprising trick using citric acid. Yes, the same one from your kitchen that can supercharge your tomato plants. Forget cucumbers, peppers, or any other veggie. This is for tomatoes only. Why does it work? Because citric acid does more than you think. It energizes the soil, wakes up the beneficial microbes, and transforms locked-up nutrients like phosphorus and calcium into forms your tomato roots can actually use. And here's the twist. When your soil lacks available calcium, your tomatoes suffer. Blossom end rot creeps in, the leaves turn sad. And your harvest? A disaster. But not anymore. This top dressing is about to flip the script. See, many store-bought fertilizers dump too much of one element while blocking others, leading to a nutrient war underground. That's where citric acid steps in. It's the peacekeeper, the activator, the silent hero that helps your tomatoes absorb what's already in your soil. And guess what? No fancy products needed. Just 1 tablespoon of citric acid and 10 liters of warm water. Apply half a liter to 1 liter of this mix under each tomato plant, but only when the soil is already moist. Do this every 2 to 3 weeks and you'll notice stronger stems, faster flowering, a rush of juicy red tomatoes. You'll wonder why you didn't try this sooner. If this tomato trick surprised you, hit that like button like you just found gold. Subscribe to Mkirikacha TV for more tomato growing hacks that actually work. Don't forget to drop a comment telling us your location and how your tomatoes are doing. Our global tomato family is growing every day. Mkirikacha TV take-home message. Sometimes the secret to a bumper tomato harvest isn't in buying more, it's in unlocking what you already have. Let your soil do the talking. Citric acid is the translator. Happy growing, tomato heroes.